Viewers and marvelous people all over the world, welcome back to our Golf Series 101 for beginners. And as you know already by now, Mr. Passion and Alex is back for our final series this month. Not the last, because he said, I'll be back. All right.
That's right.
Today's series will be
Aim.
Aim.
It's very important. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, I'm aimed right at my target. I'm aimed right at the target. I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to do. Not necessarily. And it's not only how you aim toward the target, but how you swing toward the target in the aiming aspect of golf. So we're going to discuss a little bit of that today. We're also going to discuss alignment. Aim and alignment actually kiss each other. They're almost the same thing. But we have another segment later on, further in the series, that talks about alignment. So we're going to just deal with aim right now and how important it is to properly aim toward your target, how to properly swing toward your target, all with aim, okay?
Absolutely.
So, Mr. Marvelous, I put an alignment rod right here, your golf club. So you don't need a lot with golf. You don't have to go out and get all this equipment, training aids, all that. Whatever's in your golf bag you can use. So if you don't have an alignment rod at home, folks, you can always use your own golf club. Usually a 3-iron, 4-iron, one of the longer mid irons would actually work best for this. So I have the iron shaft aimed right at the target to the right. So Mr. Marvelous, you want to aim for me and set up? Let me see that posture, that good grip. We got the posture going down. We got the good grip going down. Now we're going to have the good aim going down. Posture, grip, aim. PGA. All right. Everything looks marvelous, son. All right. So what I want you to do now is when you do this drill, folks, I want you to line up your feet to the shaft of the club, okay, to get that proper aim. So let's take your club and let's move forward toward the shaft all the way up. Perfect. All right. So now he's properly aiming at the target. Sometimes it feels a little weird. You might say, I'm aimed a little too left, I'm aiming a little too right. Once you put that shaft of that club down, you know exactly where you're aiming, okay? So behind the flag, behind the pole, you always want to find another target. So I'm looking at that building, I'm looking at a window, and I'm aiming toward that window as well. So that way, when I swing toward my target, I'm also swinging toward that window so I can maintain the swing through the ball, through impact. So let's give a little practice run here, Mr. Marvelous. Go ahead and act like you're gonna hit. Give me a practice swing. Very slow, very slow. Stay like that. Yep, perfect. All right, one more time. We're gonna go super slow-mo this time. Okay, slow. So right about here, I'm thinking about that target. I'm aiming toward the target. I'm swinging, rotating through the ball to the target, okay? So that way you always rotate through the ball, you always finish your swing. When I have the proper aim, then I can always have better consistent consecutive shots. It's all about the aim.
There you have it. Aim, PGA.
Posture, grip, and aim.
That's correct. Thanks for doing this month's golf series. Again, it's not the last, but this is the final one for this month. Alex said, I'll be back again. We thank you. We appreciate y'all. And as always, remember, be
marvelous.